So I'm at Golden Krust at Pembroke Commons shopping mall. It's like a strip mall, and I'm going to go into Golden Krust. Let's see what they have. So it's a Jamaican place. History of jerk, history of patties. You can order online, pick up in store at www.gkrust.com. They have breads, bula cake. Okay, this is interesting. I've never heard of this before. Here they have the cheese with the buns, and I've told you guys about this before. They also have the sugar bun. We have festival. They also carry fried dumplings, lobster mac, and mac and cheese. Jerk pork. And those are red beans with pigtails. Oh, nice. Jerk chicken. Brown stew chicken. Fried chicken. Curry chicken. So it's like a chow mein?
No, this is the cabbage, carrots.
Okay. Okay.
We have a fish.
Is that escovitch fish?
Yes.
Okay.
We have a
Barbecue
barbecue chicken.
chicken.
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese and plantains.
We also have this curry goat, oxtail. We keep those in the warmer.
Okay. And you have patties.
We have different type of patties. We have mild and spicy, cheesy beef, vegetable, spinach. We have jerk chicken, curry chicken, and fish patty.
Okay, do you have vegetarian options?
For vegetarians, we have like the spinach and the vegetable. We also have the coconut curry fish,
Okay.
and they can also get like the same cabbage. We have the fish. We have like certain days of the week what they call vegetable chunks for vegetarian. Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice.
We also do like the breakfast. We have different types of fish. The baked goods.
Baked goods. Okay, thank you. So those are the patties over there.
Yes.
And this.
And today's pepper pot soup. So tomorrow will be goat soup.
Okay, so today they have pepper pot soup, but these are the soups that they usually carry. Different days they would have different soups, and tomorrow is goat head soup. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Pepper pot with beef. We're a Jamaican restaurant. We have tasty food. Everyone is welcome. We're open to the public. Bring your family over. Taste, get a little bit of taste of the Caribbean, and you will enjoy it. So thanks for stopping by.
Okay, thank you. Bye.